Hey everybody, Lois Threlkeld, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. We're here at the LACREIA, Los Angeles County Real Estate Investors Association, and your investing starts here. And I'm gonna see about this author of Flipping Houses. Lois Threlkeld is his name, and we're gonna see if he becomes available to autograph our book. All right. We have these meetings once a month, and you are invited. You can come play the cash flow game, come and get some real estate training at the Iman Center, and talk to you soon. Lois Threlkeld, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Make sure you comment, like, and go ahead and share this video and subscribe. Talking to you from the LACREIA. No, LACREIA. So sorry. Los Angeles County Real Estate Investors Association. Talk soon.